Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm one of the organizers of the Serbian Film Festival Miami. We are here in Dania Beach. We have for the first time the movie premiere for Svadba, the wedding, which is an amazing movie made by Croatian director Igor Šeregi, and it's a co-production. And there's a lot of really cool actors, and the story is phenomenal. We are happy to provide this type of event, which is more than a basic movie screening. It's an event, it's a networking. People can meet each other. We are so thankful for our sponsors and partners who helped us to make our vision into reality.